Okay, so I just got through the parking lot. Now I'm going down Hudson Ave. My goal here is I'm trying to get to a place to get oysters before I have to fly out tomorrow. And I wasn't even going to try it because I wasn't sure what the water situation was, but the rain let up a little bit. So now I'm attempting it. I just had to wiggle around a parking lot there and oh man, looks like we got some water here. So far it's fairly minor. If you stay up near the center of the roads and away from the side that has the big puddle, it seems to be okay. Oh no, I got a truck turning around. That's not a good sign. Idiot. You're gonna get stuck, you moron. Wow. Okay, this is tidal. Yeah, I'm not going. That's tidal flooding. That's the tide coming up. You can tell by the way it's moving. The water's not moving in the right direction. That's not sitting water, that's rising water. So, we're gonna cancel that idea in a hurry. No, that's not worth it to me just to get oysters. And I'm pretty darn sure the only other way I know to get there is going to have the same problem. Alright, this guy's just going to come flying through here like a jerk. Gotta love people. There's the one, those are the guys that end up in the ditch on their roof. You see on the videos that are trying to get out of their car floating down the river because you don't hit water like that. That's just stupid. Yep. Alright, so I'm going to try one more area that allows me to get down there, but I'm pretty sure if this was bad, that's not going to be good at all. We'll give it a shot. We'll see what it says up here. Try Hudson Ave. I mean, this says Hudson Beach. This is a road to Hudson Beach. And if this is a little higher, it might be okay. Because over there, oh yeah, look at this. Oh, these people are nuts. They're out of their cotton picking mines. That's a whole place of water right there. Okay, so I'm gonna stop, take a video of this. This is crazy. Look at that. And that car, that vehicle's coming through. That's the idiot that went flying by me just a few minutes ago. Not going quite so fast now, is he? Those people are nuts. Alright, and I'm gonna look over this way. And this is what's all over here. That's all in the water now.